So if you've been trying to figure out how to make money online in 2026, but everything you find either takes forever or costs too much to start, you're gonna love this. Because today, I'm showing you one of the easiest websites to make real money online in 2026 and beyond as a complete beginner. You don't need any experience, you don't need to invest anything up front, and you don't need a massive following or fancy gear. You just need your phone or laptop, an internet connection, and a few minutes of your time. And honestly, once you see how simple it is, you'll understand why so many people are using this site right now to earn extra income every single day. I've been testing it myself over the last few months, and honestly, it's one of the fastest, most legit ways for beginners to start earning online, even if you've never made money online before. So let's talk about what it actually is. The website is called freecash.com. And I'll put a link down below in the description and pinned comment for you just to make it easy for you to find. And by clicking that link, you'll get yourself a free case to open with a chance to win up to $250. Now, FreeCash is one of the most popular get paid to websites out there. It pays you for doing super easy online tasks, things like answering surveys, testing new apps, trying out games, or watching short videos. Each task tells you exactly how much you'll make before you start, so there's no guessing or wasted time. You can literally pick something that takes 2 to 3 minutes and earn a few dollars, and that adds up fast when you're consistent. People are earning anywhere from $10 to $100 a day, depending on how many offers they complete. And the best part? FreeCash pays instantly. You can withdraw to PayPal, crypto wallets, Visa cards, or even Amazon and Steam gift cards in just a few clicks. They've already paid out over $40 million to users worldwide, which is crazy when you think about how simple it is to get started. Alright, so how do you get started? Well, it's ridiculously easy. Just head to freecash.com, create a free account, and you'll see a dashboard full of offers. You can sort them by payout, difficulty, or the time they take to finish. If you're brand new, I'd recommend starting with the shorter tasks first, quick surveys, app installs, or small game trials. Once you get used to the system, you'll start recognizing which offers pay the best for the least effort. And here's a little tip. If you log in daily and complete just a few tasks, FreeCash actually boosts your bonuses over time. You also earn XP points that increase your rank, and that can unlock daily rewards, giveaways, and streak bonuses that stack automatically. It's like a mini game where you get paid for consistency. Now let's be real. A lot of make money online sites are shady, but FreeCash is one of the few that's completely legit. It's been around for years, it's backed by verified advertisers, and it's trusted by millions of users across the world. They've got a 4.9 star rating on Trustpilot, and the payouts are lightning fast. You're not waiting days or weeks to get your money. When you hit the minimum balance, you can literally cash out instantly. How much you earn depends on your effort, but even spending 20 to 30 minutes a day can bring in a decent side income. And for beginners, it's honestly one of the easiest, lowest risk ways to start making money online right now. So yeah, if you've been searching for something simple, legit, and beginner friendly, freecash.com is hands down one of the best websites to make money online in 2026. It's free to join, easy to use, and actually pays out real money. Not points, not fake promises, just quick rewards for real work. I've dropped my FreeCash link down below in the description and pinned comment so you can sign up and start earning today. And don't forget, by signing up with my link, you'll get a free case to open with a chance to win up to $250. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe for more tutorials and income guides, and let me know in the comments how much you made on your first day. I'd love to see your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.